Me like a river. Shut your mouth, baby, stand and deliver. Holy hands, will make me a sinner.
Hi y'all, I'm back after 2 weeks. I know, but just imagine if you were my teacher at school. You're welcome, late all the time, but I'm back now. I decided this video, forget the ColourPop swatches. I don't have time for that. I don't feel like doing it. I don't feel like having a stained arm from the lipsticks. So I'll just tell you if I'm using the ColourPop, whatever. So, yeah. I have an event coming up in November. And, triggered. Event. November. Anyway, yeah. So, it's kind of the inside thing. So, I'm gonna try my makeup, make it look good, make it look decent, make it look nice and not just thrown on there. So, oh, and it's like 3 something, so my sisters may be coming in, so don't worry about it. They'll make an appearance and probably get mad because I'm making a video without them. Okay, let's just get on to the video. Okay, so guess what? I couldn't get music to play again, so again, you're stuck with hearing me. So, yeah. If that didn't annoy you, I'm sorry. I actually really like this look. I thought it turned out really good, but that's just me. You may think, oh my god, what in the hell is she doing? But I liked it, so yeah, excuse that face I just made. ColourPop is very soft. In this moment, I realized I should have not used my finger to do that because it's so, like, I don't know. It's very pigmented. See, I tried to fan it out with a brush, but it just stuck right there. So I was like, okay, well, just go with it. So I had to do it to the other side too, after I tried to make it look alike with the brush, but it didn't work. See? Face of, damn it. So I had to do that, make them look alike. Couldn't tell, so just went with it. Just go with it. When in doubt, I don't know how to finish that, so. Oh, Sophie and them came home. What a girl, shout out Sophie. Sophie G, the real G. Look at her. Sophie G. And then Lola came in too, but she's hiding in the corner. You'll see her in a minute. She's just standing there. I don't know what I'm doing. I can't tell. Oh, there she was. She waved. Oh, I got it like a light brown color for transition shade, so I'm just blending that into my, on my brow bone, my eye bone, whatever it is, I don't know, right above my crease, that bone right there. That's where I was putting it. Can you stop purring for a minute? Please? It's loud. I sound like a motorboat. Anyway, there's Sophie G again. Look at her. So just blending, making them look alike, cause. But what was that face, Sophie? I saw that. Trying to give me the girl. I see you. I have to talk to you later. Okay, I think I got a darker brown now. Yeah, I did. I got a darker brown and just trying to blend that in. Blending it in, making them look like sisters. Trying to look like twins, but they're fraternal twins. What is taking so long? Oh, I was changing the music. That's what I was doing. And Lola. Yeah, I was trying to find my jams to turn on. So, that's what I was doing. And now I guess I found... I don't know what song was I listening to. I don't remember. I think maybe Demi Lovato, maybe. I don't remember. So, blending. Blending. Excuse me. Please calm your motorboat. Lucy, seriously. So, yeah, now I just got a even darker color. I think it's like kind of like gunmetal color, kind of like, it's not black, but it's not brown, and it's not gray. Well, shoot, I don't know. It's just a darker color. I don't know what color it is. I don't know how to explain it. And I'm just blending it. I'm trying to get all that white covered up because it's just stuck there. Because I used my finger. Should have used a brush, but I shouldn't have even used that color for my lid. But I will. It turned out good at the end, so I ain't worried about it. Trying to get it to look alike. I think I got a text then and I was like, what? Just make it look alike. So at this point I was kind of like, I don't know about this look. I was like, I don't know. And then I put some glittery eyeshadow on there. And then I was realizing at this moment that I was going to have to name it my Ratchet Makeup Tutorial Part 2. So I was like, great. That's great. Because I was actually trying on this one. But it kind of took away all the dark. So you'll see in a minute I put more dark eyeshadow on. See, I'm looking, I'm like, where did all my dark go? Yup. Now I'm just putting the two brown colors I used. I'm just putting it up under my eyelash line, bottom line. And I realized that one was quite farther up than the other, so then I had to fix it. But then it still didn't look right, so I was like, okay, going with it. I was trying to blend all the glittery stuff out, but it didn't really work that well, so I just got more dark and just put it on there. I was just like, I'll just put it all over the lid. Why not? That was attractive. Can you please get out my ear? Ooh, you almost fell, see? That's what you get. Y'all, it's hard doing makeup with one eye. You gotta match it. And one side sometimes always looks better than the other. But it's okay. You got it. You gotta just get it. You gotta get it. I think just this whole thing, I couldn't make it go any faster. So I'm gonna be sitting here for like forever talking.
No, wait, it's gonna be a surprise what they look like to you.
What am I doing now? I don't know. Oh, I'm praying that my eyeliner actually works, because I can never get a cat eye good, and you can't even see right there. But you'll see in a minute when I'm done. That was me saying, oh God, here we go. About to mess this whole look up. I was like, oh, please, please work. Just this one time. Sophie, I see you over there. Millie Rock. And it actually turned out good. I was like, oh, okay. Okay, girl, I see you. I see you, girl. But then, the realization of I have to match it. So now I'm on the other eye. You can't see because the mirror. But you'll see in a minute, so don't worry. I wish I could sing. I'd sing for y'all, but I can't sing, so sorry. And I actually kind of got them to look alike. I was surprised, and I was like, oh, girl, okay. I think one may be up a little more than the other, but that's okay. See, I'm looking at them like, are you twins or cousins? They're sisters. I wouldn't say fraternal twins, but I'd say sisters. I wish they would stop making noise. Now I'm just tight lining my waterline, the top line, because I could see gaps from where I didn't want to mess up my eyeliner, so. What was I looking for? Oh, I think I was looking for concealer. Oh my God, my voice is cracking. But I don't want to clear it, because that's just so unattractive. But I'll do it anyway, look at that. Might as well. And then I realized I didn't put foundation on first, so I had to get my foundation out. Lucy, you need to stop. Any other time you don't want me to mess with you. And now you just want to be on my face. And yes, I am using my hands to blend all this in. Well, I look like Larry the Lobster with the sunscreen on his nose. But yeah, I'm blending in with my hands. I don't care. I don't have time to go wet a beauty blender. And I just don't like how beauty blenders do my makeup. Like, it looks like it's like you can see the sponge. So that's why I don't like it. Yeah, just smearing that all over my face. Now putting concealer on, because now I have foundation on. And yeah, this ColourPop concealer, I shouldn't have even used that much, but it was already on there. It's like really, really full coverage, like so full, and so much product in one little, like I could have put just that one sweep on that eye. Just that one sweep. Yeah, I knew that was coming up. I swiped it on my eyeliner and it just made a line. I was like, oh my God. But what was I saying? Oh yeah, I could have put that one swipe on my nose, my forehead, my chin, and right there and on my other eye. But no, I just put the whole dang sweep on there on both sides, so oh well. At least you can't see my black eyes. Black under eyes, I should say. At one point I thought I was looking like a raccoon because I couldn't really see what it was looking like. Now I'm just putting white, trying to brighten it up some because it's kind of dark. Brighten it up, brighten it up. And I'm like, okay, put some on my brow bone. My bushy eyebrows. You'll see in a minute, well not in a minute, but sometime, I actually put some stuff on my eyebrows, made them even. My phone fell. I can't remember what happened, but it fell. But I fixed it. It's good. But I put some stuff on my eyebrows and they look even bushier. But it's okay. I guess I'll look like a bush person. Oh, see there, here you go. Watch. Would you get out of my face? Please. Thank you. And bush people. Like, he's so bushy. I haven't done my eyebrows since February. That's February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. That's 8 months, y'all. I ain't done my dang eyebrows. I'm trying to let them grow out so I'll have eyebrows. Because I used to, before February, I used to pluck them all the time. And I didn't want to have no eyebrows by the time I'm 30, so, or 20, whatever, whichever age. So I wanted to have some eyebrows, so I stopped plucking them and waxing them. So now they just bushes. But it's okay, I like them. What is that? Oh, mascara. Gotta put mascara on them lashes. I've tried to do fake eyelashes, and it did not work at all for me. Because it's, y'all, stuff is hard to do with one eye, makeup-wise. I'll just have to keep practicing or something. But then again, I don't want my eyelashes to be little stubby little hairs. I actually like long, natural lashes. Seeing if they're looking alike. I was hoping it wouldn't smear. Thank God it didn't. Come get your niece. Yeah, she's aggravating me.
What you doing?
Why are you making so much noise?
I'm putting my tools back in.
Oh, okay. And, oh, here comes the highlighting part and where it cuts off, so yeah, just highlighting. Okay, that's the new one. Oh, girl, look at that highlight. Oh, okay. Y'all, ColourPop, you want a good highlighter? ColourPop. Can't remember the name of this one, but ColourPop. Okay, trying to find it. I found it. Alright, y'all, this is it. Okay, well, my video just, it was out. It was like, I'm done. I'm gone. Bye. So this is where, I think that's all I did with last was put highlighter on, maybe? I think that's what yeah. But this is what I ended up with. I actually really like it. I'm actually surprised. And I think this is a good late night look, so that'll be good. The sun, ooh, no, never mind. But the sun is going down, so yeah. Actually, I like it. I'm gonna have to do it again. So, if you like this video, like and subscribe, okay? If you don't, you're not gonna hurt my feelings at all. So, yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do for next video, so you'll just have to be a surprise. So, yeah. Alright, yeah, like, subscribe if you want to. Know the drill. I already said it, ain't gonna say it no more. Bye, y'all.